How to delete or uninstall apps from your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Open the app drawer on your device. Long press the application you want to remove from your device. Here we long press this. Now here you can find uninstall option. Tap on it to uninstall the application on your device. Tap on OK to uninstall this app on your device. If you want to delete multiple apps at the same time, let's see how to delete multiple apps on your Samsung S24 FE and other Samsung device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Play Store. Tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap the Manage Apps and Device. Now tap on a Manage option at the top. Here you can see the list of all available applications. Now select the application you want to remove from your device. Here we select this. At the top you can find the selected application list you want to remove. Now here we select the 4 application. Now tap the trash icon at the top right corner. Here you can see only 2 apps selected because another 2 applications are system default apps. So you can't remove the system default apps on your device. Only disable it on your device. So tap on uninstall to uninstall the downloaded apps or a third party app on your Samsung S24 FE and other device. So quite easy to delete or uninstall app on a Samsung phone. That's it. If you like it, share it.